kami ngayon kinatuto dahil dito kami mag-breakfast and then after breakfast, punta kaming downtown. You will go with us in India? Really? Okay. So now we are going. Tapos na kami ditong mag-almusal kinatuto. So pupunta kami ng Gaisano.
Do you want Kisana to be dirty? No, no. There's a queen.
Bye-bye na, Berber. We'll see Berber later. See you later. Maupo. I want to go SM ko no ay.
Tama ka, SM kami kay mag-counter time.
Sige naman, bakal naman. Bye-bye. Kita ay lang takaron, kita ay takaron. Kita ay lang takaron na. Message lang ka to. Bye-bye. Together again. Dito kami sa Gaisano guys, pero close pala yung Pag-ibig kasi pumunta ko sana sa Pag-ibig. So sa ano na lang, downtown area or maybe bibisitahin namin yung aming previous mga ex-colleagues. Actually first time namin sasakay dito go. Modern jeep. Wow. Nice. Layo ba? Say bayad yan, no? Time to get down. Let's go. Tapos na kami sa aming mga transactions. So now we are going to have lunch. Late lunch. Anong oras na to, Nis?
Late lunch. Early dinner.
Early dinner. Early dinner na to kasi 3:48. So from downtown area, pupunta kami sa Lilimonte or NGC, near NGC. Malapit sa NGC, tama.
NGC is
New Government Center.
it's New Bacolod Government Center.
NGC, is it? New Bacolod Government Center. NBGC?
Yeah.
Oh.
BGC in
Now I know.
But here, it's Bacolod.
May natutunan tayo for today's vlog. How are you, Mami? Sleepy na? Not yet. Okay.
We'll go to SM.
You want to go meet Berber later?
Let's go to Bubble Phone and this.
Okay, they will pick us up later. Daddy, are you okay there?
Yeah.
Let's have lunch here. Sugary. Sabi ng aking friend. Welcome to Sugary. Here? Sofa, yeah. Good? Yeah. Nice.
Good place.
Ano? Good place.
Outside, Mommy.
Yeah, you can sit there if you want.
Outside, Mommy.
Okay.
Ice cream.
Or you can sleep.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Now you can sleep.
Ice cream.
Okay. Hi, Ana. Hi. Hi. Tiding, kamusta ka? Our ex-colleague, our rich friend.
Try taking picture.
Tati, tell your mommy, where's your mama? Mama mo diin? Ay, da siya? Tagwa siya. Ang bala, mami kadto di. Tagwain mo mama. Meron kaming friend na our friend. Sugo pa pala. Nolin. Nolin. Yeah. You remember Nolin? Surprise siya, surprise. Gaano si mama mo? Gaano si mama mo? Tagwa mama mo. Tita Nolin? Ara, tita mo Nolin? Bali na katuto ko noy. Sino nga si Nan? Diba? Nolin Rose. He remembered you. We attended her first birthday ito no? We attended her first birthday. Ang baka gito nakita ay bata mo. Hindi, ang bana mo naglabay. Ang baka ba naman to ni Nolin. O, tapos ang... Here's my friend, Nolin. College friend ko guys. Nagkita lang kami dito. Hi, Tati. Tati, hi. Hi. Second floor. Puntahan natin yung office ng aming friend. Dito yung office ng aming ex-colleague / friend na si Bebang. Bumisita kami dito. Ay, Beverly. Beverly pala yung name niya. Pero nasanay lang kami na Bebang. Bang! Bang! Her nickname is Bebang. But her real name is Beverly.
Wow!
So, nag-out na ka? So, we are waiting for Daiki and Toto na sunduin kami dito. And then, diretso kami sa airport. Kasi hatid namin si Toto sa airport. But still, traffic pa dito sa NGC na area. Huh?
Baba will also come.
Yeah, Berber will also come. Hindi na!
She's my ano.
She's your ano?
You will buy
She's
this with anything you
Manilay.
want.
Okay, thank you so much, Maninay. Love, love and kiss, Maninay. Love.
Oh, thank you.
Keep in your pocket. Keep in your pocket. It's not required, kid bala. Thank you so much. What can you say about this day? It was fun today.
It's a very successful one.
Charot.
It's just, at least we accomplished one of the goals.
Yeah, our goals for today.
The errand. So, bye-bye.
That's all.
That's
Thank you.
all. Enjoy the rest of the day. You guys,
Anong you guys?
hit like, subscribe. I'll say the like, you say the subscribe, and we both say the share.
Click the bell and the like.
This is how we support our friend.
Yes, thank you for the love and the support.
Yes.
So sila guys, sila yung mga friends ko, kasamahan ko sa trabaho nung nasa ano ba kami, previous namin na work. So, yung
Many, many
renting
years
company na work namin dati.
This is how our bond is. Close we are.
So strong, the band is so strong. So nung dati, sobrang ingay namin sa ano sa office.
Yeah.
Minsan nagagalit yung
General
manager namin. Okay, done.
Okay.
Dito lang kami ngayon sa harap ng airport. So, andyan yung airport sa likod. Nakapag-check-in na si Toto. So, meron pa siyang 1 hour and 20 minutes na pwedeng i-standby dito sa labas. Kasi 8 pa yung kanyang anong tawag? Boarding. So, meron pa siyang 1 hour. So, magkape-kape muna kami dito sa labas. Ayan. Oh, Carmelita. Say bye-bye na daddy mo
Hindi
ko.
pa ano sa pedestrian, hindi kada ka. Ano.
Ayan parang kada
Dalan siya sa ano. Open na sa likod na. Okay, dali.
Okay, kiss na kay daddy mo.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Kiss kay daddy mo.
Sabantayan pa lang ka daddy.
Tawag ka lang ako na.
Sabantayan pa ka sa airplane.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Makmak, say
See you
bye-bye.
soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye na daddy mo.
Bye-bye.
Aba.
I will come back. Ay, sorry.
See you soon.
Malitaya. Pwede ka pa ng malitaya.
Bye-bye.
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 Here, Daddy, I can see him.
Bantayan mo agap.
Your daddy is far, far away. He's there na. He will try to come back pa. Wala pa naman siyang schedule. He doesn't have a schedule yet, so
Unting umalis.
he might be coming back soon before we leave.
Old one.